Okay, check out the assignment here at the top of the page. This is page 160. We're going to do numbers 14, 15, 18, and 19. If you want to try the rest of the problems, that's fine. You can try those and you can ask for help or feedback from me. With numbers 14, 15, 18, and 19, I want you to try them first if you can, or watch the video until you understand it and then hit pause, try it first, and then use the video to check your answer. All right, number 14. Let me make a whiteboard real quick. Abby can buy an 8-pound bag of dog food for $7.40 or a 4-pound bag of the same dog food for $5.38. Which is the better buy? This might be confusing until you set it up. If you set it up, I think you're gonna understand what your strategy might be. So what I do is I always like to put money as my first term. So I'm going to put $7.40 for 8 pounds. Or we're not going to put equal. We're going to put or, and we're going to find out the better deal. The other one's $5.38 for 4 pounds. And after you set this up, you might notice something. And if you don't notice it yet, I'm going to draw your attention to it with the highlighter. What do you notice about the pounds? Well, if you had 4 pounds, if you doubled it, you would get 8 pounds. And if you double the pounds, you would need to double the price. And even without an exact computation, even if you just estimated, if you doubled $5, it would be over 10. It's going to be over 10. What's a better deal for 8 pounds of dog food? Spending over $10 or spending $7.40? Which is the better buy? It's the 8-pound bag. Not even close to a better deal. The 8-pound bag is a much better deal. All right, let's check out the next one. A bakery offers a sale price of $3.50 for 4 muffins. What is the price per dozen? First things first, you have to know what a dozen is. A dozen is 12. So this might as well say what is the price for 12 muffins. And you might notice, again, just like the last problem, you might notice something if you set it up. So number 15, I would set up $3.50 over 4 muffins. And then I'm going to ask myself, how would I get from 4 muffins to 12 muffins? And that's just a math fact. 4 muffins times 3 is 12 muffins. And if you multiply the second term in a ratio by 3, you have to multiply the first term in a ratio by 3. So you're going to get your price here by doing 350 times 3. 3 times 0 is 0. 3 times 5 is 15. 3 times 3 is 9. Plus 1 is 10. You get 1, 2, 1, 2. You get $10.50. $10.50. All right, we're going to go ahead and skip to the bottom of the page here. We're going to do numbers 18 and 19. Number 18 reads, critique reasoning. A 2-pound box of spaghetti costs $2.50. Philip says that the unit cost is 2 over $2.50, which is 80 cents per pound. Explain his error. So if you set this up as 2 pounds over $2.50, and you do, especially on a calculator, if you do 2 divided by 2.50, you do get 0.8. So you could argue that, hey, he did everything right. But let me ask you this. When we've done a lot of money problems before, where did we put the money? We're trying to find the price per pound. And the price per pound means you'd put the price on top. And in this problem, the price was $2.50. Price per pound means $2.50 over 2. If you do that, $2.50 over 2, all of a sudden now it's not what we just did. It's not 2 divided by 250. It's 250 divided by 2, which is $1.25. I can prove that a different way. So what we want to do is we want to find the price per pound. And this is for 2 pounds right here. So to get to 1 pound, you would need to divide by 2. And if you do 2 pounds divided by 2, you get 1 pound. And if you divide the first term by 2, or the second term by 2, you have to divide the first term by 2. So I need to go $2.50 divided by 2, which I already did on my calculator, but I'm going to do again right here. 2 divided by 2 is 1. 5 divided by 2 is 2. 10 divided by 2 is 5, and you can tell that if I multiply 5 times 2, I'd get 10. I would subtract and get 0. My decimal comes straight up. It's $1.25 per pound. So simply put, his error is he set up his ratio upside down. He should have done 250 divided by 2, which is equal to $1.25 per pound. Money divided by pounds. Money almost always goes first. Almost always. So there's our answer for number 18. Showed my work and wrote an explanation. All right, one more problem. Number 19. Number 19 is going to take a minute. That's okay, though. It's a good problem. The math in number 19 is not brutally hard, but there's kind of a lot of work to it, so let's just check it out. A grocery store sells 3 different quantities of sugar. A 1-pound bag, a 2-pound bag, and a 3-pound bag. So we've got 3 math problems to do. The 1-pound bag is $1.10 for 1 pound. I want you to recognize that just like the last problem, I took the numbers and I put them upside down from the way they were given to me because we'd put money over pounds. It's just like the last problem. So the 1-pound bag is $1.10 per pound. The 2-pound bag is $1.98 for 2 pounds. And the 3-pound bag, I'll highlight that right here, 2-pound bag, $1.98. 3-pound bag is $2.85. $2.85 for a 3-pound bag. Now here's the question. Describe how the unit cost changes as the quantity of sugar increases. Well, the increase is happening here. This is a 1-pound bag, this is a 2-pound bag, this is a 3-pound bag. So the quantity is increasing, but what's the unit cost? This word right here, unit. A unit rate is when the second term is 1. A unit cost is when the second term is 1. So this is already a unit cost, but this isn't. Now how do I make this one a unit cost? I need to divide by 2. If you divide 2 by 2, you get 1 pound. And if you divide $1.98 by 2, you're going to get 99 cents. I'll prove it to you. $1.98 divided by 2 is 99 cents. So the unit cost is 99 cents per pound. Now if you're thinking, wait, over here it was $1.10 per pound. That's kind of the way stores work. When stores charge you for a small box of something, they give you a price. But then if you buy a bigger box of that same item, usually you get a little bit better price per pound. So here's the 1-pound bag, it's $1.10. Here's the 2-pound bag, it's 99 cents a pound. Here's the 3-pound bag, it's going to be £3 divided by 3 is 1 pound, so we're going to get our unit cost. But now we need our price, and on this one I'm not going to be lazy and use my calculator. I did that on the last one. On this one I will divide 285 by 3. It is divisible. Check this out. 3 goes into 28 9 times. 3 goes into 15 5 times. It's 95 cents. 0 and 95 cents. 0 and 95 cents per pound. So let's go reread the last question. Describe how the unit cost changes as the quantity of sugar increases. As the amount of sugar increases, the price per pound does what? It decreases. That's all we have to write. As the quantity, or as the amount of sugar increases, the price per pound decreases. It went from $1.10 per pound to 99 cents per pound to 95 cents per pound. It decreased. Okay, good job. We are done with page 160.